Hey there! Welcome to Product Marketing Maestros, Tales from the Front Lines. I'm your host, Nitin Kartik. As the author of the Amazon bestseller Product Marketing Wisdom, I have always found that real world case studies are the true litmus test for the effectiveness of any product marketing strategy. And that is why in this show, we dive into the minds of industry titans, as well as rising stars, unpacking their expertise in action packed episodes that showcase the power of product marketing through real world case studies. And today, my friends, we are joined by product marketing maestro Karim Wagdy. Based in Italy, Karim is a product strategist and operations leader with a multidisciplinary background spanning technology, venture capital, and public policy. He has driven AI powered SaaS initiatives. He has optimized infrastructure performance, and he's also led competitive intelligence programs across EMEA markets. His experience includes economic research for the Egyptian Prime Minister's cabinet think tank and global product roles in both Europe and the Middle East. He is multilingual and he is skilled in data analysis, product marketing, and customer experience. Karim blends analytical rigor with creative execution. He also serves as an ambassador for the Product Marketing Alliance and the Competitive Intelligence Alliance. So, with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Karim Wagdy. Karim, welcome to the show.
Yes, hello. Thank you very much for this introduction. I feel very flattered, and I'm really glad to be part of the Product Marketing Alliance and be part of everything. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, absolutely. And Karim, like we promised the audience, we will discuss a situation from your experience, right? So we will use the ABC framework. We'll talk about the antecedents, the prior challenges. We'll talk about the behaviors, what were the actions you took, and we'll talk about the conclusion, how things played out. So Karim, pick a situation from your experience and tell us what were the antecedents, what were the prior challenges?
So I would like to start with this notion, like about the competitive intelligence overall. And this was one of the initiatives that I have led in different organizations that I was part of, where different teams within the organizations, like the go-to-market teams, as well as the sales, the product managers, they always face the difficulty of getting insights when it comes to the competitors as well as the customers. And this puts them as in a disadvantaged position when it comes to building the go-to-market strategies, when it comes to sales empowerment, when they are making the deals, when it comes to actually prioritizing the product features for building the product roadmap. And this was a common challenge that I found across different parts. It mainly started by it was hindered primarily by the executive teams, but however, as you dig deeper and deeper, you find that this challenge is overlapping across different departments.
Excellent. I love that. In fact, a lot of people in the audience, I suspect, may be experiencing some of the same challenges. So thank you for setting out the antecedents. Now, Karim, given these challenges, tell us about the behaviors, right? What were some of the actions that you took here?
Yes. Okay. So basically, as a start, we found that there is a bottleneck when it comes to the customer insights as well as the competitive intelligence insights. So we started, first of all, by creating, I would like to call it the 90 days plan, where we first dive into understanding where we stand when it comes to understanding the market behavior, both from the customer side and as well as from the competitor side. And then we move forward to creating a pipeline, a systematic pipeline, not an ad hoc research thing, but a systematic pipeline where we give the go-to-market teams what they need about the value proposition of the competitors and everyone, and as well as the product managers, what are the top features, etc. So at the start, we create we dive deeper with all of the teams. We start specifically with the sales team to understand what are the bottlenecks. For example, they might say we don't have enough battle cards when it comes to the market, so we need more battle cards. When it comes to our product managers, they say that we don't have enough visibility, we don't know where to get the resources, etc. So this mainly happens towards understanding the market through two things: the surveys, the one part, and the second part, which is having the interviews. We sit with the sales leaders, with the top managers, and understand what are their team's bottlenecks. And then we move a step-by-step basis. We then make the pipeline in terms of, okay, we will create periodic battle cards for the top competitors. And of course, before this, with the sales team, we create a competitive landscape where we understand who are the people we come up with the most, etc. And then we prioritize this according to the surveys that we made. We make the battle cards and, of course, the win-loss analysis. it's important when starting the competitive intelligence program to get the buy-in, especially at the start, to have like early quick wins. And I would like to like highlight this mainly happens through the win-loss analysis as well as the battle card. So moving step by step in 3 months, I believe you can have a periodic pipeline where like every week or so you can have like 1-2 battle cards. Every month you can have the win-loss analysis, and every period you can have a newsletter. Might be according to the teams, of course. Availability can be every week or every month according to the availability. And within this practice, we use different tools, such as HubSpot to get the direct insights or the real-time insights about the deals, the win-loss, such as like we used at the moment Clue to make sure that everything is in a single place when it comes to the battle cards and everything, as well as like different other tools such as Pro Report. So we make sure that the inputs from the sales, they are directed into one channel when it comes to the feature prioritization and everything. By this, we managed to make this connected loop with everyone. Hope this clarifies everything.
Wonderful. Absolutely fabulous. I love how you took a step-by-step approach and you even listed some of the tools that you were using. So that's fantastic. So folks in the audience definitely pay attention. So now, Karim, bring it home, right? So we've talked about the antecedents and the behaviors. Now let's talk about the conclusion. So how did the situation play out for you?
So in order to understand or quantify our impact when it comes to the competitive intelligence program, we mainly looked at 2 key things. The first part, which is the quantifiable part when it comes to the material that we put out to the people, and then how these people are like how the different team members, how they are using it. So first of all, then we say, okay, we have like this month, we want to publish at least 4 battle cards. Then we make sure that these battle cards are published. And then we follow up with these teammates. Like, for example, the sales teams, they want to close certain deals with certain sales or with certain clients. So we make sure that we get them the battle cards that they need when it comes to closing the objection handling, the value propositions, etc. So this is a quantifiable space. A second thing, when it comes to the product managers, we make sure that while they are building their road mapping, they are prioritizing the features that are coming from the sales, that are coming from the market. So the conclusion is that once you go deeper into the competitive intelligence, you find it's not only a research dumping mechanism, but rather a thinking mechanism between different departments and making sure what are the things that you are closing the loop for. Because once you solve the bottlenecks that people are facing, then you can find that the real impact of the competitive intelligence program, both on a quantifiable manner when it comes to the battle card, as well as the deal creation, as well as the feature prioritization and go-to-market strategies as well.
Beautiful. Absolutely fabulous. So thank you, Karim, for telling us that wonderful story. I think our audience can learn so many good tidbits from there. So Karim, tell us, if people wanted to learn more about you and what's next for you, where can they do that?
Yes, of course. So people can search with my name on LinkedIn. This is the direct way where they can find me by my name, Karim Wagdy. It ends with an Y. And there they can hit me up. I would like to speak with people about different things when it comes to the product marketing, the competitive intelligence. And moving forward, now I'm focusing on the new trends when it comes to the product marketing space and product management, especially in the space of AI agents. I would like to see how these agents can play into automating the different tasks within the go-to-market strategies and as well as the sales operations to take the teams to the next level when it comes to the insights as well as the building the lead generation and everything.
Wonderful, wonderful. So Karim, thank you so much. Folks, there you have it. For more insights, please reach out to Karim. And for even more insights, check out my Amazon bestseller, Product Marketing Wisdom, at productmarketingwisdom.com. And see you next time on Product Marketing Maestros.
Yeah. Thank you so much.